Today on the workbench, we're going over a few quick things to check before putting your sprayer back to work this season. If your sprayer has been sitting through the off-season, taking a few minutes now can help you avoid leaks, clogs, or other issues later. First, empty any antifreeze left from winterization. Then inspect your hoses, fittings, and connections. Look for cracks, wear, or anything loose that may need attention. Next, check your wiring and power connections. Make sure everything is clean, secure, and ready to go. Then inspect the pump and make sure it still powers on. Make sure to look for cracking, weathering, and that it is visually in good condition after storage. After that, check your strainers, tips, and nozzles for debris, buildup, or blockage. A clogged tip can affect spray performance fast. Before adding product, fill the tank with clean water and run the system. This helps you check for leaks, test spray pattern, and make sure everything is working like it should. A quick seasonal check can help you spray with more confidence and avoid problems once the job starts. Thanks for stopping by the workbench, and as always, thanks for watching.